When I was 14 years old, I created a MySpace about my vice principal. Unfortunately, students at my school were leaving some choice comments to our vice principal, as any teenager would do. And that's really what started a lot of the problems, is that being the creator of the MySpace, I owned all of the comments that were left on the site. I was convinced that I would get probation, and while even that was unfair because I felt that I had the right to freedom of speech, that would kind of settle it. And then I started to hear things from friends and neighbors, things like, if you go before Shivarella, you get sent away. I was sentenced to a wilderness camp for 3 months. You are there with girls from other counties who have committed crimes and aren't the nicest of girls, and you're away from your family. As a child, I always assumed that the system it's supposed to work. The big corruption cases, it's the sort of thing you only see on TV shows, and it really opened my eyes and enlightened me that this could happen in the real world. This could happen in a county as small as Luzerne, and it's really made me more cautious of what I say to people and more interested in my local government and finding out what they're doing behind the scenes.